you tape it? Okay, we're back, and I'm gonna murder these girls for eating them. No. Huh?
I said boopy doopy doo.
Oh, come down. 5 minutes? Stop. What am I doing wrong? What?
Bye, guys.
Oh, hi? Hi. 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 This woman.
Very, very odd intro.
That's gonna be our intro for the rest of the year.
Back. Don't give the psychotic 5-year-old scissors. Especially not safety scissors. Grell, we need the safety scissors.
Nobody knows fucking.
How do you know no one knows Black Butler?
Yes!
Oh no!
Oh, by the way, I forgot to say these are Peeps and the mini ghosts, and I'm gonna eat them all. No, wait! I even those one!
Pumpkin spice
Ghost. Ghosty, ghost, ghost. You get
Ghosty,
one?
ghost, go.
You get one?
Oh. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Don't be sad, it's just a joke. Oh,
Okay, Mr. Ghost. wait. We were supposed to do cheers. Oh, that was a cheers. Let's get to eat.
Crunchy.
You got poop. Okay, you finally ate it. We all ate it from the head. There's 6 more. Okay. No, I still have a little bit.
Pumpkin spice Oreos. Common white girl. Common white girl drink. But now it's in an Oreo. It doesn't want to open.
Oh my gosh, woman. We're gonna be eating those later.
Okay, these are like.
You don't like it?
I'm sorry, but these are double stuffed. What is this? What the heck?
Yeah. Mama was supposed to get one.
It's double stuffed. Or something.
Oh my gosh, Mama, can you just stop?
Stop with the Oreo.
That's what it looks like. It looks like a normal Oreo. It has.
It smells like burnt marshmallow.
Yeah, it kind of just smells like burnt marshmallow. Actually, they both put into it and they still have the full cookie. I'm kind of scared to eat this. They're good. Yeah.
Someone's getting a FaceTime. It's yummy. It doesn't taste like the drink though.
I'm not sure if I like this or not. I'm moving up top. I'm just gonna cook with your piece.
I dipped my hand in the Oreo cream. She got too much pumpkin.
Okay, and I Oreo.
Too spicy for true.
Yeah, well, it looks like someone just pooped on my cookie. Does it still taste good? I'm just gonna be looking this for the rest of the vid. Hey, look like Dumbo pooped on it. Dumbo. Yeah. Okay, so. Should I eat it all again? I'm gonna do it. Do not do that.
Yummy. Yeah, you stuck all the cream in your mouth. Nom nom nom. Do not inhale the fumes from the pumpkin spice.
I will not get you the first again.
Nom nom nom.
With the cookie.
Do not inhale the fumes.
No, 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 no.
It has to.
No,
It's
no,
gonna
no.
be falling
I
out.
don't want to go away. I put the cookie on the
I'm dying.
You eat.
No.
You eat it.
Bye. I'm dying.
You eat fun.